Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you what's in my car which I drive every day, but nowadays no, not every day, but whenever I drive this car. So let me show you what's in my car and how I organized my car, what kind of things I put in my car, so it helps me whenever I need something. It's just around me, so I can reach everything while I'm driving. So let's get started. From last couple of months, this is a very new addition in our car, which is gloves. This is our hand sanitizer that I always keep in my car. Not only for this situation, I always keep a hand sanitizer bottle in my car. One chewing gum packet is must for our car. Oops, this is a windshield deicer which I use on winter months. I forgot to keep it inside our house. Now in passenger side, I always put one small trash can. I have no idea what are these. Remil plays with them. So this is my small cup which I use as a trash can. Whenever I go to gas station, I clean it up every time so I can keep my car very clean. I generally keep an extra water bottle here in case I forget to take in my bag, and of course an umbrella is a must thing. Now in my glove box I always put my important papers there and some napkins. There is a manual from Honda, and there are some extra parts for the car. This is another important thing which I always put in my car, which is a first aid box. Right now outside is very hot. That's why I put lots of things inside the house, like some ointments, some alcohol wipes. Also, we are not going anywhere to any road trip or something like that. That's why I just put away from hot car. For now, I will put back everything in my car when the situation will be normal again. Now I am gonna show you my storage box, which is my most favorite part of the car, I think, because I can put lots of things in my storage. Like these are the new additions also. Masks. I put 3 masks in both of our cars. Also there is a small snack box, some nuts which I always put for an emergency time, and this is also my coin box. One day we were stuck in a toll and the person was asking for the exact amount, but we didn't have. So after that I just put all kinds of coins in a box. Though we have our Easy Pass, but that toll didn't have any Easy Pass system. Now can you guess what I used to make this beautiful cup or box? Yes, this is not store-bought, this is homemade. I actually used from a yogurt box. I bought the yogurt and finished eating, then I cleaned it and then I wrapped it up with yarn. Then I have been using it to put my sunglasses, my hand cream, my lip balm, some other small things like safety pin, some hair clips. Now this is very useful thing for my car. I use it whenever I buy any coffee from Starbucks. I use this to hold my hot coffee cup. Also we use it to hold any kind of drink which is too cold. I could put only 2 boxes in there, but I think that's enough for us. Also I use lots of coupons, so I put it there, though I have one extra folder for coupons. Right now I don't use them, so that's why I kept it inside the house. In this box we have some napkins, one comb, one foot cream, also some cords which we use to hold our phone or GPS or for some other uses. Here I put my sunglass, which I use when I drive only. Also, it's pretty handy to keep it here so I can access anytime, even while driving. And the back seat of our car is completely controlled by Rimil. I have put one trash cup for her so she can put all her trashes in there. Here she puts some books, some colored pencils in that Ziploc bag, and lots of things she puts. I don't know even what she kept in this pocket. Now in other side of the pocket, she kept her favorite book. This is her most favorite book. She read it at least couple of times and she keeps it in the car, so whenever she goes for a road trip or something like that, she always reads this book. And this is her notebook. She likes to write. I always put one tissue box in our car. So what I do, I just fold this cellophane tape like this way, on a circle way. Then I put it on the seat, the top of the seat. Then I place the tissue box on the cellophane tape and pressed it down so that the tissue box will be there. It won't fall down. Now I'm gonna show you the trunk of our car. I always keep a sunscreen spray here, and there is a trash bag and also a washcloth. Though it's summertime, but still I put snow shovel in the car always. It doesn't take much space, so it doesn't matter to me. Now in this bag, I always keep some grocery reusable bags, which I prefer to use whenever I go for grocery shopping. I don't prefer any plastic bags at all. Under this trunk, where is the space for a spare tire, I always keep 3 pairs of shoes and 3 pairs of extra socks. One day one incident happened, and after that I decided to keep some extra shoes and socks here. So what do you think? Did I organize my car properly or not? Please let me know in the comment section below. Hope you will like it and got some ideas. Please let me know if you have something new to share with me. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye!